Morning, everybody. How you doing? It's October 4th. We're about 3.5 months into the project. We had our first hiccup yesterday, or sometime before then. Last time I left, I prepared the first cabin for rain, put a tarp over it, and braced it temporarily, but we had torrential rain. Put a lot of weight on the bracing, and a few sections collapsed. Actually, 6 sections collapsed on the second floor. So I was a bit heartbroken when I saw it. But instead of doing some recreational stuff today with the boys, Stella and Jean-Claire, I'm gonna get to work and do some repairs. So it's a Sunday, and these things are gonna happen. So I'm gonna get to work.